Hey, what's up guys? Here with a quick little video. Wanted to share with you guys. In the last video about the mini grave digger, I kind of showed you a brief introduction as to how this Oversteer Hobbies bumpers, front and rear bumpers, get installed, but I didn't actually go through the steps. So I'm gonna go through the steps real quick to show you guys. We'll make this a real short video. 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. You're going to take these two front screws out of the front little body mount. What I find easier is to go ahead and place your body mount in the front bumper. Got to flex it out a little bit. Make sure you get the body post back in the same position, and then just kind of finagle it in place where it needs to be. Get it into position, and then you can start your screws. Make sure you start them all before you tighten everything down. They'll go back in the same holes, mounting holes through the frame and into the same threads on the front body mount. Once you got them all started, go ahead and tighten everything back down. Obviously don't over tighten them. You're just screwing these things into plastic. And you also, because this is like a flexible TPU 3D printed plastic, you want to make sure that it you don't over tighten it, because then the bolt heads could pull through. And just like that, we have the front mount on. Now the rear is a little different, so I'm going to try and zoom in and show you guys. This whole back wheelie bar and bumper brace, all that has to come off. So what we have to do is remove this screw right here, this larger screw up top, and then this bottom screw right here. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Then you can remove this whole piece, keep it for future use. And then we're going to take our new rear bumper, and if you see these little notches, they're going to go over top of the frame rails here. About like so. And then again, we're going to reuse our stock screws. Start all of them before we tighten everything down. All right, and then we're going to start on the other side. Now that we got them all started, we can tighten everything down. Again, don't over tighten. And just like that, we have our rear bumper installed. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this American flag in the rear bumper mount, and off we go. So be sure to save these for future use if you were to ever want to go back to it. So I'm going to place them back in the original baggie. And then lastly, what I didn't do in the first video, but I did mention, is the limit straps. Okay, so for the limit straps, I'm gonna open the body up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to start on the front passenger side. We're going to remove the stock upper screw. Some people might be skeptical about 3D printed limit straps, but these things hold 5 pounds each, and the truck itself only weighs 2.5, so I'm going to give them a shot. So we're just going to start threading our screw back in through the limit strap. Then we will place it where the larger portion at each end is facing out and away from the truck. Simple as that. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom, which I know is going to be hard for you guys to see. Take the lower shock screw out, and then we will start our screw back in through the limit strap, and just like that, we have our limit strap on. So that'll definitely help keep the shocks from coming undone. So we're gonna do the same on all 4 corners, and I will fast forward through that now. And just like that, we have our limit straps. This is the rear. Flip around the front and show you the front. There they are there. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up this video. Just real short and sweet. Wanted to show you the actual steps to getting this Oversteer Hobbies Ultimate Bundle Kit installed. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you.